Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this important and short video lecture, I will guide you for estimation of beam, column, slab as well as footing. That's why because many people, they are not technical. They are not civil engineers, so they are not civil engineering students. So therefore, when they are making calculation for steel, so they are confused during estimation of steel for beam, column, slab, footing, etc. So therefore, today I will guide you how to calculate quantity of steel by thumb rule. Thumb rule means by blind method, but it can help you during estimation of steel. So therefore, watch this video till the end to learn something new about calculation of steel for beam, column and slab. Let's get started guys. First of all, I will tell you guys, you should find the quantity of steel in detail with the help of Excel sheet, okay, or by manual method, okay. But this method can also help you, especially for non-technical people. Or if someone asks from you how to calculate quantity for slab, if the volume of concrete is this, or if the volume of column is this, so you can use the same formula which I am telling you in this video. So the first one is guys slab, and the second one is beam, the third one is column, and the last one is footing. Remember guys, first of all I will tell you also for estimation of steel for commercial and residential building, okay. So let me write here. For residential building, we use by thumb rule, not in detail. So for residential building, we use from 4 kg to 4.75 kgs per square feet. Okay, for 1 square feet we use from 4 kg to 4.75 kg. But remember guys, for commercial building, okay, we use from 5 kg to 5.5 kgs per square feet, okay. This is also. Now let me discuss in percentage, okay. So we use guys by thumb rule 1% of steel for total volume of concrete and slab. If the volume of concrete is anything, so from that volume of concrete we use 1% of steel for slab, okay. So let me discuss in detail, but first of all I will tell you for beam. So for beam we can use guys 2% of steel for total volume of concrete and beam. And for column guys we can use 2.5% of steel, same for total volume of concrete and column. And the last one is guys footing, so we can use 0.8% of steel from the total volume of concrete and footing, right. So now for example, if I have a slab, so this is just the example, okay. This is the example. Suppose I have a slab, right, which length is 8 meter and width is 5 meter. If the thickness of the slab is, for example, 0.15 meter. So first of all, I will find the total volume of this slab. So how we can find the volume? So V is equal L multiply width multiply thickness. Okay, so volume is equal L is 8 meter, W is 5 meter, and thickness is 0.15. When you do calculation for this, so you will get the volume. So volume of slab is equal 8 multiply 5 multiply 0.15. So let me do calculation for this. 8 multiply 5 multiply 0.15. So the total volume of the slab is 6 meter cube. So now how much steel is required for this slab? Which dimensions are these? 8 meter by 5 meter by 0.15. Okay. So here guys, let me erase the first one from 4 kg to 7.5 for residential, and for commercial 5 to 5.5 kgs. Okay, so remember this. Now guys, estimation of steel. For slab, which is 1% of total volume of concrete and slab. As you can see, the total volume is 6 meter cube. Okay, so 6 meter cube, the percentage of the steel is 1%. Okay, so which is 0.01 multiply what? 6 meter. Okay, so now guys, first of all I will write the volume. Okay, where the volume is, the percentage, the volume is 6 meter multiply percentage is 0.01. Okay, so when you do calculation for this, now you will find the total volume of steel in meter cube. Okay, so 6 multiply 0.01. How you will get 0.01? When you do the calculation for the steel percent, which is 1%, so 1% should be divided by 100, then you will get the value 0.01. Okay, so now guys, we will get the value. When you do calculation for 6 multiply 0.1%, you will get the value 0.06 meter cube. Now guys, this is the volume of steel in this slab from the total volume of the slab and concrete. Okay, total volume of concrete and slab. Now the percentage of steel is 1 meter. So according to this volume, we have the volume of steel in 1%, 0.06 meter cube. Now guys, when you multiply this value with the density of the steel, where the density of the steel is 7850 kg per meter cube. That's why, because here guys you can see the volume of the steel is in meter cube. So now multiply it with 7850 kg. Now you will get the value 7850. Okay, so we required 471 kg steel to complete or to cover this slab. Same formula you can use to calculate the quantity of steel by thumb rule, means by blind method. Okay, so you will get for the beam 2%, for column 2.5, and for footing 0.8%. so it's easy to find out the calculation for steel for the given structures which I've discussed in front of you. Now, as I told you before, that if you need the full calculation or detailed calculation, so this is not the detailed calculation, but it is roundabout, and you can satisfy anyone. But this is also, many people they are working by this formula, especially contractor or non-technical people. But maybe this is up and down because this is not in detail. So this can help you on construction site. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.